Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Okay.
Oh, guy.
Oh my god.
Oh.
No stall.
If the truck crashed, that'd be insane, dude. No. Seriously? Actually?
It's a truck.
Oh my god. You're telling me this? Hey.
Oh, you love to see it. That's him. That's
Yeah.
the guy. Oh.
Amazing. At least he only crashed himself.
Oh my god, that's so funny. That's so funny.
He's gonna keep going. What are you doing?
Harry met Sally, and you fell asleep. Stole the top sheet. I was strung out in Austin for nearly a week. Anxiety like we were.
Because one of the things I thought I would be good at is doing what my friend does up in Northern California. Is oh, sweetie.
Whoa. Idiot. God.
Whoa, goodness.
It's just.
God damn it, people! Hell, man.
Oh wow. I got that on my camera. Oh wow. Let's go see if everything's okay. Hold up.
I get to work and I'm just scared I'm gonna look back and they're gonna be behind me again.
Yeah, he was asleep.
Out of control, it was so entertaining. When the boogie started to flow, I heard somebody say, "It's going right."
Are you good? Are you good? I'm like, are you good, bro? What the heck? Right on Western Boulevard.
Points when you link an eligible RBC card to your Petro points. Find out more at rbc.com/petro-canada. Conditions apply.
When a serious accident happens to you, it doesn't just affect you, it affects your whole family.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.